Let's start by labeling our triangle. This side is little b, little c, and little a, and we want to find angle B here. So that means I start with my cosine law equation that I have on the formula sheet, and I realized I don't want angle A, I want angle B. That means that everything has to change. This also changes to a B, and these two are the other two sides in the triangle, so it's a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of B. I have to find angle B, so I'm going to isolate, for starters, the cosine of B to begin with. So I'm going to subtract a squared and c squared from both sides. Then the more you do it, the more familiar this will be. Then the next step is to divide both sides by negative 2ac. Cancels on the right, and I end up with the cosine of B. And now I'm going to plug in my numbers. So b squared is 8 squared minus 7 squared minus 2 squared, all over negative 2 times 7 times c. And c is 2. Sorry, I forgot that there. And now we're going to do all of this in the calculator, remembering brackets, and we end up with negative 0.3929 equals cosine B. Don't worry about the negative sign. Cosines can be negative. We're going to take the inverse cos of both sides now to get angle B, and angle B equals 113 degrees. Then I look at my diagram and say, does that make sense? Yeah, it's bigger than 90. It does make sense.